Hi guys, it's Auto Sloth here, and welcome to another video. Today, we have another Diecast unboxing, and probably soon, we're gonna do another one. So, many Diecast unboxings happening. The Roval should be coming soon. I actually don't know when I'm gonna release this, so it might have already came out. I also have a mid-season, silly season update for the Auto Sloth Cup Series, and a pre-recorded video that I might put out in a year, and I might put out next week. I don't know. So here is the diecast in question today. Is a Tyler Reddick RCR car. Trying to get my camera to focus. So, what do we say? It's time to unbox. We should make that saying. It's not unboxing. There we go. It unboxed. Yay. That's awesome. Epic. I need to get the diecast out. Open it up. Moment of truth. Just inspecting it now. Wait. I'm gonna Google this, but this car, so it's obviously got the 2020 front, but does it have the 2020 lights? No, I think not. Like, the front's obviously the flat 2020, and the back is like easily I'm really trying to get my camera to focus here, guys. And the back is like pretty much same, except, oh my god, my camera is not focusing. Yeah, I got like no light. But this does not have the newer 2020 updated Chevy lights. Here, so, and the interesting part about this is that this diecast is actually, it is, quote unquote, a 2020 diecast, and it definitely has the 2020 body, but I'm not actually sure if there's some light. It does have the 2020 body, but I'm not actually sure if it has the 2020 wrap. So so let's just do a slight comparison here. I got up to get something. So here's my little comparison I want to do. So let's see if we can finally get the camera to focus. There we go. So you can see that looks to me more like the 2019 lights that they put on after the first, 4 races of the season, to highlight the 2019 Camaro. Yeah, but those look more like that versus the ones that, of course, they're running in 2020 look like this. So I'm not sure about this. So this is, of course, the Exalta car that I got in a previous diecast unboxing video. If you haven't seen that, go and check it out. Yeah, but I'm not really sure about this diecast. See if we can get some better lighting. There we go. Overhead light always does the trick. Yeah, but so this is like not, I don't know about this diecast. Maybe Reddick's team just decided not to run the new headlight, the new taillights. I don't know. That could be just what happened. Or the Diecast has an outdated RAM. I don't know. But that pretty much effectively ends this video. So, as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And this is Auto Sloth signing off.